Hi guys, it's me, Kathy, back with another video. Well, today I'm not out on my nature walk, so I'm going to figure out, or have figured out, how I'm going to exercise, try to stay in shape or get in shape, and relieve some of the stress. So come on, let's go. You find an old room, an old piece of equipment. Used to be my granddaughter's who grew out of it. So we upgraded to a bigger one. So I'm going to start off just warming up. So I'm just going to jump. Stop here, do some squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And just to let you know, this is my first day with doing this exercise. So yes, I'm gonna sound like I'm dying. So again, take a breather and start again. Here we go. So this time, instead of the squats, we're going to do running in place. I love having this little bar. Helps guide me. Again, this is my first time trying this out. And I'll be trying more things like this when I'm stuck indoors. Can't wait for the next nature walk. Make sure you're there with me. Yes, girl, my body is so out of shape. You just don't know. And I'm mid-age up there. So, I shouldn't be sounding like this or feeling like this in any type of way. So, I'm hoping, first of all, with the help of God, to give me the strength, and you guys to cheer me on. I can do this. I'm now working a little over 200. And on an updated video, I will show you on the scale of what my weight is and hopefully what it is in the future. All right, we're gonna stop there, take a breather, and go for more squats. And no, I do not have a trainer, never had a trainer, and no experience in this at all. I'm going with the flow. That's called Kathy's flow. Doesn't matter how slow or how fast I go. Please give me some suggestions in the comments of which way would be better for me to exercise and relieve stress. Thank you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Breathe. Yes, take a breather. So, I think I'm going to stop for a minute and return back in a few seconds. Okay guys, I'm back. Here we go. Had to get the hair off my neck too. So, I'm going to start off running in place. My equipment's kind of noisy and squeaky, huh? But hopefully we can ignore that. I didn't want to play any type of music or sound, so. I'm trying to pick the knees up a little bit more. Trust me, it's harder than it looks. Whew. I need to breathe in between a little bit more. I want to go down this time a little bit further with the squats also. There we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump. This is kind of like the hardest thing right here. It's like I'm falling off of balance. Okay, I don't think that's the best for this little trampoline. bet you there's even a way to breathe in and out better than what I'm doing too. All right, guys. Whew. I need to take a breather, kind of pushing it. So, I have to say the nature walks are my favorite. But this isn't that bad. So, I'll go back this way and try the squats a couple more times. Ooh. 2. Come on, guys. Cheer me on. You can do this, Kathy. Yes. I can say just put that little break in between pulling the hair up. Doesn't seem like it helped too much. But I thank you for clicking on this channel and watching this video. And I'm going to run over to you and say, see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.